Hi everyone, so I have a bunch of stuff here from Lazada. I ordered a couple of cases. Let's see what what we have here. Okay, let me just quickly open this one. Okay, comes in a box. I'm not sure what this is. Let's take a look. I'm pretty sure I did not order anything that merits a box like this, but well, the extra protection is always nice, right? Okay, so we have here, okay, so there's one entire box, and we have two iPhone cases. Okay, so thank you again to my friends at Power Support. So this is the MyPro iPhone 7 TPU case. Take a look at that. I don't have the iPhone with me right now, but this one is hard plastic, and this one is soft TPU. And you can take a look that it's really for the young ones out there, for the young one in all of us. So the cutouts are pretty good. There's no dust cover, so that should be good for those who do not like dust covers. The cutouts for the cameras, it's pretty good, pretty solid. I don't should be a good fit. And there's a cover for the power button, cover for the volume rocker, and then there's a cutout here for the switch over there. So yeah, this is the MyPro TPU case, gel case for the iPhone 7, and it comes with a free blue gel case. Thank you so much. It's always nice to get a free item. So nice packaging as well. Thank you for watching, guys. If you're looking for cheap, inexpensive iPhone 7 cases or phone cases, just go to Lazada, search for MyPro, look for the vendor Power Support, and they almost always give out freebies like this, and their products are always good like this one. So thank you for watching.